My name's Madeline and I'm a 72-year-old teacher. I was starting to look a bit lined and not happy with my skin. I went to a few places and a couple of doctors mentioned facelift, and I came to Dr. Kaywaan and he said, "You do not need a facelift." He gave me a boost when he was talking about what he was going to do to look natural and not stretch.
Hi, it's Dr. Kaywaan at Maddy Clinics, and I'm here to talk to you about Madeline's treatment, the 10 years younger full face rejuvenation program. Nourish the skin from underneath and provide it with the vitamins and the peptides that it needs to glow from inside out. This will then lead us finally to the final transformation, so we can wait a few more weeks to see how she feels and looks once all the treatments have been completed.
He did the 10-year, look 10 years younger treatment. The microneedling was fantastic. The Potenza was great. It stimulates the collagen. My lines smoothed out, my cheekbones looked better, my skin looked better, and it just gave me a lot more confidence. I was very happy to meet Dr. Kaywaan and work with him because I felt he understood what I wanted: skin to look healthy and vibrant. Didn't want to look like an old person who's had loads of work done. Because most people think I'm at least 10 years younger, and that makes me feel great.
It has been an absolute pleasure to treat Madeline. I really enjoy offering the 10 years younger treatment. By taking a full face approach, I can target and personalize the treatment to each individual and combine a number of different modalities to get the very best results. In order for you to find out what I can do for you, book in a consultation and I can go through the steps with you and find out what would be best suitable for you.